Hello DJs of YouTube, this is your boy DJ Bhamra, and in this video we're going to talk about the top 8 things that you can do in this time during quarantine. Corona go, go Corona, Corona go Corona.
रविवार को शाम को 5 बजे 5 मिनट तक ताली बजा करके, थाली बजा करके, घंटी बजा करके हम उनके प्रति अपनी कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करें, उनका हौसला बढ़ाएं, उनको सैल्यूट करें।
ये सब तो तुम कर ही लोगे, but no, seriously. There are a few things that you can do and you can make the most of this time that you have right now. Let's jump right into it. Numero uno, back up your laptop. As a DJ or anybody, your laptop goes through a lot of files every day. There are a lot of files coming in, there are a lot of files going out of your computer. It's high time that you got this time for yourself in which you must take a backup of your laptop. It's the perfect time because it takes a really long time to back up your laptop. This is the perfect time to plug in that external hard drive and back up your files. Back up everything, your files, your music, your record box database, your Serato database, all your music, all your files, all your folders. Just structure them and put it all in an external hard drive, because just in case we are in a situation that we lose our laptop, at least we don't lose the music or the files that are really important to us. Right when you finish this video, go ahead and back up your laptop. Back it up, back up. I can't tell you the importance of backing up your laptop, guys. You need to do it. Come on, this is the perfect time for that. Go for it. Numero dos. Create or update your DJ profile. I already spoke about the importance of having a DJ profile, and a lot of you DJs who are trying to get through and trying to cut the market, you guys should have a great profile. And all the DJs who already have a profile, this is the perfect time to update your final 2019, final 2018 file that you have of your own profile. It's the perfect time to update your DJ profile. Put some new pictures, write something new about yourself. See if you can structure your English sentence in the profile in a better way. Even if you have the perfect profile, just go through your profile and see if there is that one thing that you can make better. Please go ahead and update your profile. Or if you haven't created a profile, I have already made a video about how to create your DJ profile. I'll link it down in the description box. Please go check it out and make your DJ profile. Numero tres. Before we go ahead, guys, you guys are watching me on YouTube. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel already? This is something that I've started recently and I'm enjoying this a lot. This is probably the most important thing for me right now after DJing, and that's what I'm gonna continue to do. And you know what will really help? If you guys can subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment, and let me know if you guys are enjoying the content that I'm putting out. The idea with my YouTube channel is to talk a lot about DJing and to help newcomers and existing DJs with things that they might not know. Yeah, so the point is, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, show me your support, and let me know that you guys are enjoying this. If you're not enjoying this, please go ahead and tell me that as well in the comment section. But yeah, the point is, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really inspires me to do better and do something much more than just existing. Let's get back to the video. Numero tres, digital minimalism. So when I talk about digital minimalism, what I mean by that is to delete files that you don't need. Delete the files that you no longer require in your life, in the digital life, that is in your laptop or in your phone. There are thousands of pictures and videos that are in your phone that are just there because, I don't know, you just clicked it. There are a lot of screenshots. There are a lot of unnecessary videos and memes that you get from a lot of people on WhatsApp and forwards and all kinds of corona related, I don't know, whatever shit. But yeah, so this is the perfect time to get rid of all those thousands of files. Just get rid of all the files that you don't need. But as a DJ, there are a lot of music files that you don't use, I'm pretty sure. So if you use Rekordbox, for example, there is a feature in Rekordbox where you can click on the DJ play count option. There is a DJ play count counter, or the play counter that you have in Rekordbox. Just go to that, choose that DJ play count option in your Rekordbox software, and when you click on it, you can see the songs that are played the most and the songs that were never played. So this is the perfect time for you to revisit your library and delete the music files that you don't really use. Maybe you just have 7 remixes of one track. I have 7 remixes of one track. But yeah, this is the perfect time to sort your music. There is a video that I've done about sorting your music library. I'll put that link down in the description box as well. If you have 7 remixes of that one track and it's just 1 or 2 that you play often, there's no reason to have all these other remixes. So this is the perfect time to get rid of the less frequent played songs in your library. DJs, this is really important. You'll make up a lot of space in your laptop, in your hard drive, in your pen drive, and your life is a little more minimalist. You're not confused as much. So it's the perfect time to do that. Please go ahead and do it. You have a lot of time to do that. Just keep the ones that you will need and delete the rest. Numero 4. Updating yourself. What I mean by updating yourself is updating your music. I spoke about digital minimalism. In digital minimalism, you had the opportunity to see what is your most played track, right? And the files that you really need. This is the perfect time to update that particular remix. For example, you have this track that is played the most, okay? This is the perfect time to do your research and update that particular remix with something which is much better in quality in 2020. This is the perfect time, guys. A lot of DJs, a lot of producers are at home and they're just creating music. This is the perfect time to download new tracks, make new DJ sets, and updating your existing DJ sets. And maybe you can even make a new playlist of a completely different genre which you always wanted to play but you didn't or you couldn't because of the lack of time. But I think this is the perfect time to do that. Please update yourself, update your DJ library, update your music, update what you need and delete the rest. Numero 5. Learn something new. Like you can see, I have learned numbers 1 to 10 in Spanish. Maybe learn a new instrument or a new DJ skill. There are a lot of DJ skills that most DJs don't use. You as a DJ have just learned how to mix track 1 with track 2. Maybe this is the perfect time for you to actually learn some new techniques like scratching, tone play, all these amazing DJ related techniques. But maybe there are chances that you have a guitar lying at home or a piano lying at home or any instrument. I think this is the perfect time to learn an instrument. As a DJ, if you learn an instrument, you learn a lot of things about music, okay? You get your timing correct. Your body is already in tune with the timing aspect of music. Learning an instrument will become that much more easier because you can count the beats, right? Of course, you can count the beats. And if you can count the beats, maybe you can just play a tabla. Maybe your father played the guitar and you don't. Maybe learn some fresh lessons that are on YouTube. Just go ahead and learn them. And if there's not an instrument that really interests you, if it's just DJing, please go ahead and learn a new skill, a new technique within DJing, or just observe what other DJs are doing. Learn something new. This is the perfect time to revisit youtube.com or a lot of these other websites like Skillshare or Shaw Academy and all these amazing websites that are already out there. This is the perfect time. I said it already. It's to learn something new. Because when the season ends, this Corona season ends, a lot of you guys are now ready to hit the market. It will be amazing if you can do something new. Everybody would love to see something new when all this bullshit ends, right? So go ahead and learn something new. Maybe if you learned an instrument, you can add that in your DJ set. Just think about it, guys. There's a lot of things that you can do if you learn something new. Go ahead and do it. Numero 6. Do some research. Now when I say do some research, I mean music related as well. Or you can just go online and clear your doubts. You know, you've been DJing, you've been very busy, you've been traveling, you've been playing in all these venues, you've been listening to a lot of things, you've been listening to a lot of DJs play, and you've been seeing that they're doing a certain technique. Go ahead and clear those doubts, guys. Do some research. That's what I meant. You can just go online, see what other DJs are doing, see live DJ sets, see some other DJs perform. There are a lot of DJs who are doing live DJ sessions because they're all in quarantine. It's the perfect time to learn something new from them. When I say do your research, you can also do some research on the kind of music that is heard nowadays. You can use Spotify.com to go and see what people are listening to. You can go to what was that app that you used to search music? Shazam! You can use Shazam.com and see what people are listening to in your particular area. If you allow GPS settings and if you allow GPS to run on your phone, you can actually particularly see what is the most played track or searched track in Shazam. Similarly, if you use Spotify or Amazon Music or any of these music related apps, or even if you use websites for all of those things, not just apps, this is the perfect time to do your research on what is relevant in the market right now. What are people listening to? What are new DJs coming up with? What are other DJs around the world doing during this time? Like for example, I am practicing YouTube and I'm practicing how to talk in front of camera without without stammering. I'm just a little cautious. I get cautious when I'm talking to the camera. I'm practicing how to get comfortable with the camera. Do some research on what is it that you can do with your free time, and when all this is over, you're just smarter than the other guy. It doesn't have to be DJ related. You know, there is this asteroid that's gonna hit in April. It's not gonna hit. It's gonna pass by planet Earth. And yes, that is happening, guys. We're also busy with Corona. Do some research, guys, and make yourself better. Maybe you will know something more than all these other people at the end of all this. Numero 7. What? 7.
No.
7.
No.
7. Numero 7. Take up a new workout challenge. If you are not interested in all the other things that I spoke about, maybe this is the perfect time to concentrate on yourself. Fitness is a really important thing, guys. As DJs, it's really important to look good on the stage. It's really important to at least look fit. Or even if you don't care about the looks, it's important that you have so much energy that you can stand and perform for long hours. So fitness is something really important. What you can do is you can take up like a 30-day challenge. There are a lot of free apps that are available online. The 30-day fitness challenge. You know what I downloaded? I downloaded the 30-day 6-pack abs workout challenge. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna get 6 packs in 30 days, but I'm doing my best. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open that app every single day, just sit on it for 30 minutes and do the exercises that the app wants me to do. These apps are great, guys. Some of them are free, some of them are chargeable. But you know what? There is a lot of free options. You can also go on YouTube, you can see some challenges and accept that challenge. And maybe by the end of all this, you might have a little more muscle and a little more stamina and a little more energy. Get pumped up, guys, for the season ahead of you. Numero 8. The last thing and also the most important thing, enjoy being with your family. Enjoy being at home. I'm pretty sure that whenever you were busy, you always asked yourself that one question, and that is, I wish I was free. So Corona has actually brought this planet Earth to a screeching halt, and everybody around us is no longer in the same pace that they were a few months ago. 2020 has been crazy, guys, and you know what? 2020 made you realize the importance of life. There were these bushfires, there was this talk about World War, and all these unbelievable crazy things that were happening on planet Earth. It actually told us the importance of life and the things that we ignore. This is the perfect time, guys, when you're at home to get a little more attached to your family, to your pets. Don't abandon those pets, guys. Dogs don't catch coronaviruses and cats don't catch coronaviruses. Please don't abandon your pets. So yeah, I was saying, enjoying your time with your family. Maybe speak to your dad, just sit and find yourself speaking to him about a certain topic. Because you know what, guys? We guys, the millennials, the people born after 1990, 1991, the 90s kids, have seen so much in this span of 27, 26 years, 28 years or whatever, that, that no other generation has seen. I'm pretty sure our dad didn't see the progress of the world as fast as we guys did. So this is a perfect time to catch up with him or your mother and talk about how it was in their time, in their childhood, and what were they doing exactly in the age that you are. That's what I mean, guys. being in touch with your family, your mom, your dad, your sister. Maybe help your sister with something that she wants to do. Be supportive of your other family members. If you have a younger brother or an older brother, maybe this is the perfect time to talk about certain things that you never had the time to talk about. Don't distance yourself with people inside your own house. It's the perfect time to be in touch with your family. Another bonus thing is, guys, please stay positive. This is not the end of the world. Please be happy. Try to share a lot of positive vibes outside. Try to talk about all the happy things around you, okay? This is not the end, okay? And don't share fake news, guys. I'm getting so many fake WhatsApp messages. Just don't waste your time doing all that. You know, you could actually do all these other 8 things that I spoke about. A lot of those things, you don't even have to be a DJ to do all these other things. Please go ahead and do something productive. Use this time for making your life better, because at the end of all this, we're gonna get back into the race, and all of us will get so busy that we realize that, you know, we could have done so much in the free time that we have right now. Go ahead and make your life better, guys. That's been it, guys. Please comment in the comment section below and let me know which out of these 8 things that you will do, or if there's something that you would do apart from these 8 things. Please let me know in the comment section below. I read all the comments and it'll be interesting to see how are you doing, how are you making the most of the time that you have right now. But guys, most importantly, please take care of yourself. This coronavirus is not a joke. It has affected the world already, and India with 1.3 billion people are very close to getting affected and becoming one of the largest countries to have coronavirus cases. But we have done a great job already by not catching it. So this is a perfect time for you guys to stay at home, and even if you don't want to do any of that, at least don't go out, okay? Don't go out and just distance yourself from people for the time being. It's okay, 2-3 weeks. Introverts are really enjoying this time, but if you're an extrovert, guys, it's a perfect time to be indoors and relive yourself. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Namaste. Corona go, Corona go, go Corona, go Corona, Corona go, Corona go, go Corona.